Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home garden decor and design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. I'm so excited to share today's topic with you because it's something that so many of us face: creating a beautiful, thriving garden in a small space. Whether you live in an apartment with a tiny balcony, a city home with a small patio, or you simply want to make the most of a compact backyard, this video is for you. We're going to dive into what small space gardening truly means, the amazing benefits it offers, and most importantly, I'm going to show you 10 incredible design ideas to get your creative juices flowing. So, what exactly is small space gardening design? It's more than just putting a few potted plants on a balcony. It's an art form and a strategic approach to maximizing every single inch of available space. It's about being clever with your plant choices, using vertical space, and incorporating design elements that create the illusion of a larger, more lush environment. It's about transforming a limited area into a functional, beautiful, and peaceful sanctuary. It's about thinking outside the box and recognizing that a beautiful garden doesn't need to be huge, it just needs to be well designed. And why should you bother with a small space garden? The benefits are immense. First, it's a fantastic way to reconnect with nature, even if you're in a bustling urban environment. A little greenery can significantly reduce stress and improve your mood. It can also provide a fresh harvest of herbs, vegetables, or flowers right outside your door, giving you a sense of self-sufficiency. A well-designed small garden can also add significant aesthetic value to your home, making it feel more inviting and welcoming. Small gardens are also typically easier and more affordable to maintain than a large yard, requiring less water, time, and money. It's a low-effort, high-reward way to bring beauty and tranquility into your life. Now you might be asking, how do I even begin to decorate my small space to make it look beautiful? The key is to treat it like an outdoor room. Start by defining your space with flooring, like a beautiful deck or artificial turf, to create a cohesive look. Use different levels to add visual interest. Think hanging baskets, tiered plant stands, and raised beds. Don't be afraid to use mirrors or strategic lighting to create the illusion of more space. Vertical elements are your best friend. Trellises, wall planters, and shelving units can turn a boring wall into a stunning living art piece. Finally, choose a color palette and stick to it, whether it's the color of your pots, cushions, or flowers. This will create a harmonious and intentional design that looks professional and polished. Are you ready for some inspiration? Here are our top 10 best small space gardening design ideas, with beautiful inspiration to show you how it's done. One, the balcony oasis. Who says a balcony can't be a full-fledged garden? This design shows how you can use a combination of different planters and shelving to create a layered look. The elevated plant stands not only maximize floor space, but also add a dynamic visual element. The white stones and wooden deck add a touch of tranquility, while the bright green artificial turf makes the space feel like a real lawn. It's a perfect blend of style and practicality for urban living. 2. A modern and minimalist urban garden. This design perfectly blends modern hardscaping with lush, natural elements. The clean lines of the wooden decking and light-colored paving create a structured, organized feel, while the carefully manicured hedges and soft grasses add texture and life. This is a fantastic example of using different materials to define zones and create a visually appealing space. The central planter and simple white chairs invite you to sit and relax, making the garden an extension of the home. 3. The privacy fence garden. A simple fence can become a focal point with a little creativity. This design uses a trellis pattern to guide climbing ivy, turning a mundane privacy fence into a beautiful feature wall. The addition of a quaint chair, lush potted plants, and unique decor creates a charming and secluded corner perfect for relaxation. It shows that even a small walled-off space can be turned into a stylish retreat. 4. The ultimate DIY vertical garden. For the ultimate budget-friendly and eco-conscious gardener, this idea is a winner. Reusing plastic bottles to create a vertical garden is a brilliant way to save space and reduce waste. This design proves that you don't need expensive equipment to grow fresh produce. It's a simple, functional, and very effective solution for tiny spaces. 5. A simple and stunning window box. If all you have is a window, you still have a garden. Window boxes are a classic and effective way to add a splash of color and life to any home. This particular design shows how you can combine different flower types and trailing plants to create a lush, overflowing effect. It's a simple, low-cost way to get started with gardening and instantly boost your home's curb appeal. 6. The balcony flower power. Finally, this balcony is a celebration of color and life. By using a tiered shelving unit, a railing shelf, and multiple planters on the floor, the gardener has created a vibrant floral display. The layers of plants maximize the space and create a dense, colorful garden that feels full and abundant. It's a joyful and inspiring example of how to use every surface to grow a magnificent array of flowers. 7. The green wall revolution. Vertical gardens are perhaps the most efficient way to maximize space. This stunning green wall uses a grid system to grow a variety of plants, from leafy greens to herbs and ornamental foliage. It turns a simple wall into a living, breathing work of art. Not only does it save floor space, but it also creates a captivating visual display that is both productive and beautiful. 8. The indoor-outdoor sanctuary. This image shows how to seamlessly blend your indoor and outdoor spaces. The abundance of houseplants inside and the view of a lush backyard create a harmonious flow. The large door allows natural light to flood the room and visually connects the two areas, making both the room and the garden feel more expansive. This is all about creating a continuous green experience. 9. The rustic and raised bed garden. Raised garden beds are a game changer for small spaces. They allow you to control soil quality, improve drainage, and create a focal point. This design uses rustic wooden beds to add warmth and character, while the elegant metal arches provide a unique structure for climbing plants. The simple gravel and stepping stones tie the whole look together, proving that a functional vegetable or flower garden can be incredibly chic. 10. The cozy and creative balcony. This design shows how a small balcony can be a true retreat. The wooden wall paneling adds a sense of warmth and coziness, while the string lights create a magical evening ambience. Potted plants and a comfortable lounge chair complete the scene, making it a perfect spot for unwinding after a long day. It's a great example of using decor and lighting to make a small space feel special and inviting. I hope these ideas have given you some incredible inspiration for your own small space garden. Remember, the size of your garden doesn't limit your creativity. It simply challenges you to be more innovative. A small garden is not a limitation. It's an opportunity to design a beautiful, intentional, and personal sanctuary. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more garden design tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We love hearing from you, so let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite or what you're currently growing in your small space. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!